Hi guys, so this is another episode of the excavator in my yard. See, it's kind of weird having an excavator in your yard. The brand is Kubota. Sorry. Got the pronunciation wrong. It's Kubota. So you can see right there. And right now he's backing up, and you see those levers, those two levers. He's like doing it. Now look what he's like covering up it. And look at that. See, he's like sweeping the dust over, putting it in the pile. And he's moving the levers and the wheels are moving. Then he pushes that with the lever. And now he keeps patting and pushing, just making sure it's covered. So it's pretty weird having an excavator in your yard. I'm sure I already said that once, twice, or a million times, but it's like this. So, yeah, he made all these big piles of sand, and he even put that in. You saw in one of our videos. And it's pretty much just, oh look, he's now digging. Can't get a good view of it, him digging, but you can kind of see how he's digging. See, look, he's digging. Okay, bye-bye.